Hello guys, I am Sheikh Anisur Rahman. Welcome to my YouTube channel Compu Geeks. Today I am gonna show you how to booking or register step by step for Geo gigafiber broadband. So Geo gigafiber commercial launch is set for 5th September. Already knows that. So Geo fiber plan pricing range was announced this week. Geo fiber plan will starting from rupees 700 and it's go up to rupees 10,000. Reliance India Limited chairman and managing director Mukesh Ambani revealed that. So let's get started. So first of all, open my browser and typing Geo website. gigafiber.geo.com. Also, you can register your Geo app in Android mobile phone and also use your desktop or laptop. This is actual process for registering for who use desktop or laptop. My network is too slow, so it's take a time for my network is too slow. I'm really sorry for that. So wait for some time. Okay, let's try another browser. So here is this site. This is interface of website of this website. So As you can see here, enter your address for GeoFiber. First your location name. My location name, your and then select your popular area name, type your popular area name, and then your district name. So after put on your properly address, then you click on confirm and enter your details, enter your full name, put your Geo mobile number, and email address. And generate your OTP. Enter your OTP number 969626. Here is the rural area, so select a rural area or society and then verify OTP and submitting. So as you can see here, thanks for showing your interest in GeoFiber. We will come back to you on SMS and email. If you want any more address for service, GeoFiber share now. Proceed. Your primary address details are so